Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to talk about the easiest and fastest way to collect seeds. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you garden, you may collect seeds, and often when plants go to seed, which means they start producing the seeds that help keep them, their existence alive, what they do is they provide seeds that spread by the air. And so as they are ready, they will fly off and get planted in other areas and sprout up eventually. Some of them will not, and some of them will get eaten by animals that like seeds. Maybe not in dandelion's case, I'm not sure. But in general, that's how some plants spread their seeds. So you have all these baby seeds that can float in the wind, right? So I'm using dandelions as an example, but I believe milkweed does this. It's got a little pod, I think, that opens up, if I recall. It's been a while. Man, it's spring now. So, but this is the only one I have to show you. But this is a good way to collect seeds and package them. And I'm going to show you on dandelions because I do like dandelions and I do plant them places because I'd rather have them popping up than other things. And they make a really good treat for my guinea pigs and my rabbits. They will eat dandelions all day. They will eat them fast and they're free for me to grow and easy for me to grow. And they grow in all the seasons. I don't have to worry. I mean, they don't grow in the winter, but they grow pretty much all year versus some plants like cucumbers. I'm only going to have access to those for a very short part of the year. Dandelions I can have from spring, early spring through late fall. So I've got one of these desks. You know, these things that they use to clean up your computer keyboard or whatever. If you have one that's been used before, just make sure to empty it so you're not collecting. If you're not going to like unpackage the seeds and get everything that was in it before too. So I'm just going through and I'm going to go like this. Now the benefit of doing this is you don't lose as many seeds in the process. And if you didn't want it going and spreading its seeds, you would be doing a better job of preventing that from happening because you are able to suck it up before you accidentally jostle it and it ends up, you know, going everywhere. So let's see. Look how awesome that is. I am so excited with myself. And so when I'm finished with this, all I have to do is empty it out somewhere that's not windy, probably in my garage because I don't want to deal with it. But I will put these in old medicine bottles that are empty and I've taken the labels off and rinsed them out and everything and save them for when I want to use them. Okay, so now that I've collected and it's full, I need to put them in this. Now, ideally, a plastic bag is going to go a little better because this is going to be kind of rough to transfer over without it getting messy. But theoretically, if you had a bag, you could pop it in the bag. You wouldn't lose as many. But we're probably going to lose some because that's how it is. This was not a big enough container. It's big enough for the seeds, I think, but it'd be better if I could press like a button to make it spit it out, but you know, details. So we'll lose some, but if you're harvesting your own seeds, probably not a big deal if you lose a little, because yeah. But it would be easier if you just did a plastic baggie or a larger head or something with a larger top, like old containers from food that you've rinsed out, like glass containers or whatever. So there we go. Again, I just peel the labels off these and they work great. Then I label them myself. But this just goes back in here. And then this, oops, that's not quite right. Gotta fit it, right? And then clean up everything I spilled, and I'm all good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and take care.